Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call Him Up on the piano. We will begin by identifying the song's key, which is often C major, and its common 4/4 time signature. Next, we will explore the foundational chord progression, typically involving C, F, and G major chords. Understanding these elements is crucial for building a solid musical foundation. We will also establish the song's characteristic rhythm and tempo, preparing you for a smooth performance. Now, let's focus on your left hand, which provides the harmonic and rhythmic anchor. You will learn the root position of the C, F, and G major chords, ensuring a strong foundation. Practice playing a simple bass line, perhaps just the root note on beats 1 and 3, or a walking bass pattern. The goal is to maintain a consistent, steady rhythmic pulse, giving the song its driving feel. This hand sets the stage for the entire arrangement. Moving to your right hand, we will now tackle the melody and harmony. Begin by identifying the core melody notes, often played in the middle C to G octave. Once comfortable, you can introduce simple harmonies, perhaps playing 2 or 3 notes of the chord along with the melody. Pay close attention to clear articulation and expressive phrasing, making the melody sing. This hand brings the song's recognizable tune to life. Finally, let's bring both hands together and refine your performance. It is essential to practice each hand separately until proficient before attempting to combine them. Start at a very slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed as accuracy improves. Listen carefully to ensure a good balance between your left-hand chords and right-hand melody. Consistent practice, even for 15 minutes daily, will significantly enhance your skill and confidence in playing Call Him Up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.